There's nothing on the other side.
Previously on More Bad Ideas Does Chrome. People falling.
Are you okay?
Sawa's falling. Oh god, what else is going on? Just more falling. And then on this episode, more getting lost, more people falling. It was just a lot of that. And on this episode, probably more falling, so stay tuned. I think we're gonna tune in for the night, but we booked the hotel for Tampa, so this is gonna be 3-day long trip, staycation thing. Anyways, good night, see you later. Morning. Check it out. Oh, they're back. Ohio! Ohio!
This man's using the wash. We're just chilling real quick.
The bottom is like a
spray?
Oh, that's nice.
Alright guys, welcome to day 2 of Kroom. Some of the friends, some of the homies that were hanging out with us had some stomach issues last night, so it's just me, Leaf, and my beautiful wife, Sawa. He's ready to go, I'm ready to go, ready to do it. Let's do it to it. Stretch my legs out a little bit. I don't like my pants tucked in my boots so much. And we're off. We're gonna have fun right into the, whoa, right into the craziness. Can you go down that? I'm gonna come back up. That's dangerous. This area is way too crazy. Look at that. Bro, it's crazy out here. Hey. Nice job. Keep looking, let's go that way. Let's go. Oh, nice, you made it. Should be talking more out there. Oh, I see something I want to do right quick. That was fun. I'll do that again. Let's go! I hear you shouting something. This way! There's nothing on the other side. My bike. I'm okay, but the bike's not okay. See a landing and me cagué, and I try to shoot this way. No, is that clay? Espérate, I'm sliding. Me estoy cayendo.
For those of you wondering, yeah, that's how I start my bike. I just punch it just one time real hard, and that's how it starts. Yeah, see? Easy. Reality, probably what happened is I was, you guys don't know because I edited, but we were probably standing there for a good 10 minutes as I was kicking this bike because it didn't want to start. So that one punch definitely started it.
Oh my god.
So I love like how Sawa just points like, yeah, that way.
Very tired from yesterday. He had like a heat stroke, so he's not feeling well. And on top of everything else, you know, I'm a little tired too. Alright. I know which way we came from. Can you make it? Go first. Walk up. Nice. Good job, Sawa. She's a pro already. Wait, Mate's out. Uh-oh. I don't think she knows where she's going. I leave past the truck already. I don't think he's... Yo, the truck was that way. The truck was over there. Where's he going? You want to try it? You got it? Hell yeah. Yeah, yeah. Atta girl. More. Eat it. Yo, I went up, and when I saw the cliff go down,
Places like that when it's pretty steep, I'd rather just walk first. See?
I got,
Horrible, pero you need a plan.
I got lazy. Yeah, I didn't walk up.
Here, sube, mira.
You got it, Zoe. Keep going. Seems like a goat, bro. I love this. It just like goes up walls. Nothing. What's up? Oh, okay. Go first. Yeah, and don't do that. Don't. I was like, don't do that. That bike's gonna case it. How are you gonna get down now, Sawa? Oh, you're gonna go through there. Smart girl. All right, here we go. We're moving. Sawa's moving too. I think she's getting used to it. Sand world. I don't know. I didn't know sand yesterday, bro. I don't think I'm good with sand. Whoa, into the Scorpion Mortal Kombat looking forest from the first movie, depending on how old you are. Yeah, I guess I am kind of old. Whoa. Whoa, interesting place, man. This is pretty cool. Enduro, Sawa, you can do it. Whoa, oh my God. It's been hot, bro, and a lot of physical work, but 100% worth it, dude. I've been having such a good time. Sawa's just here drifting it out with that back tire, just skidding everywhere, and I love it. And there's pinacones everywhere. Look at my, I'm taking it. This guy's name is Peter Pinacone. He's my new friend. He's coming with me everywhere we go now. Peter Pinacone is coming with me. I picked up a new friend. Peter Pinacone. So I'm running over your brother in Pinacone. Oh! New friend! I got new friend! Pinacone! Peter Pinacone! Aquí está. You're lost?
Or you want to go further that way? I don't hear any bikes here.
Alright, let's go back. Peter! Peter! I lost Peter Coney. Peter Coney! It was a straight shot this way. A lot of whooping. Without Sawa. Nah, she's got it. Hell yeah, son. This is the real deal. I got Stickerson. Sticky Stickerson. Got a new friend! Oh god, he's... Fuck, that guy's dirty. Fuck that dude. Don't pick up homeless people on the street. Word of advice. Woohoo! Hey, bow! Woohoo! Extreme. I don't know how many videos. I might be able to cut 3 or 4 videos out of this whole adventure. I got part 1, part 2, part 3. Wow, this place is cool. Ah, man, this is a life. This area is much better, dude. This area right here is chilling, dude. It's not too stressful. You can enjoy a nice trail ride. And then you can go do crazy stuff. This park's amazing, by the way. It's called Croom. Because like I said, I might do like 3 or 4... Whoa! I might do 3 or 4 cuts of this video. Like a part 1, part 2, part 3. So, like if I just tune in and you're like, what the hell's going on? And I'm like, yeah, well, it's, I'm at a motocross park called Croom. C-R-O-M. And it's quite nice. Oh, Sawa's right behind me. That's good. I'm accompanied by my wife Sawa, which is a freaking champ right now on a CRF, or sorry, XR70, and I'm on the XR100, and we're just straight having the time of our lives. Where the hell's Leaf? Look at Sawa riding, dude. She's doing so good. Since day one, she was really bad at riding. She was horrible. Yeah, that's normal. Actually, she wasn't bad for like a first day beginner. My point is like her improvement from that first day to today. Oh god, it's so good. What you gonna do? I have fun watching her take choices. She's very smart. Even if she doesn't have any more, like, she doesn't have experience in this, she's quite smart in deciding what's gonna be the best path for me to take. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow, bro, hit me right in the head. Ooh, some more toys. I had to duck under the tree there. Hello. Why'd you stop? Oh my god. Are you serious? The battery died. Oh, Janayo, that's not good. You want to try to give it one good bump start or not? Hey, Leaf, idea. It might be a crazy idea. Use the hill. Use the hill to get a second gear bump start. You think you can do it? Yeah, Ed, exactly. That's who gave me the idea. We'll push it up this way, and then you can turn around and come back down. Mira. Not much, but it's something. Mira. Hey, what happened? Whatever it did, it worked. Oh, shit. Algo se zafó. Vamos para el camión. Horse is haunted at night. The intrusive thoughts that are coming through my head while I'm trying to enjoy myself on a nice trail ride. I'm like, yeah, I don't know if I want to be out here without a flashlight at night and with no sense of direction or no way to get out. How the hell would I get out? Oh, it's a nice little breeze. And going through these trees is nice because you get at least a little bit of shade. Definitely gonna have to give these bikes a once over when I get back. Oh man. That in third gear, this bike could just chug its way up. Oh, I wanted to go up this thing. Dozo. Oh, I didn't have the fun, but whatever. I'm gooning hard. Something's loose. I think it's a chain.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna end that there because there's a disgusting amount of footage. Like I think I can make like three more videos out of this. I got like 2 hours more footage. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun, jam-packed. Say goodnight, Sawa.
Good night.
Good night. By the way, Stick Dickerson, that guy sucks.